Well, YouTubers, not only do I have a airbag light and a check engine light, I got a service four-wheel drive light. So I need to service my airbag and service my four-wheel drive. I think I know what the four-wheel drive is. Right now, like I said, it got nothing. I've read on the forum world and seen on the YouTubes, imagine that, a YouTuber watching a YouTube video, that there's a ground wire, and we'll check and see if that ground wire needs regrounded. What are we doing? We're focusing on the steering wheel now? Allegedly, this is the problem with your old push-button four-wheel drives when you're having troubles with it going into four-wheel drive, is the corrosion right here on these wires. So what we're going to do today is we're going to zip them out. We're going to buff that up a little bit, clean them up, and then put them back together. And hopefully it'll go into four-wheel drive. So there's the wires off. You know, they don't look so bad. It is a little corroded, but we're going to go ahead and get the old, what's that called? Die grinder. We'll get it under here and do a little zing zing, shiny shine shine. Clean that up. See what it does afterwards. All right, as you can see, we cleaned them up. We'll put that guy there. We'll move that out of the way for now. Put this guy right here. That guy back on there like it was. All right, now we'll put the bolts back in, zing them tight. See what happens. Which one's on top? This one's on top. Alright. Get this guy back over here. Oh yeah. Impact. Back down a little bit. Now we'll hit them tight. They're tight and they're clean. Let's hope that works. All right, here we go. Christmas tree's lit up. Got the check engine light. That bad boy's always on. Oh, looky there. Now, airbag light always on, not a problem. Service airbag, it's a bumper sensor. That's a whole nother video. We'll worry about that later. We're gonna drop her down into neutral. We're gonna push this button. 4 low. You hear the clunk? 4 low. Hear clunk? There it is, 4 high. finicky today, are we? Okay, well, it's in too high, it says. Service airbags off. The service four-wheel drive light is off, so hopefully that takes care of it. I will give you an update in a future video. So basically, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Oh yeah, don't forget the whole like, share, subscribe, all that 9 yards, you know. Gotta have all that stuff. Like I said, thanks for watching.